Hello and welcome to the Times of India. India has launched the sea trials of the indigenous aircraft carrier and warship Vikrant. Here's a report. It is a proud and historic day for India as the reincarnated Vikrant sails for her maiden sea trials today in the 50th year of her illustrious predecessor's key role in the victory in the 1971 war. It is the largest and the most complex warship ever to be designed and built in India, the Indian Navy said on August 4th. Vikrant is the largest warship built in the country, having a displacement of about 40,000 tons. The ship is a mammoth steel structure of 21,500 tons of special grade steel developed indigenously and used in Indian naval ships for the first time. The enormity of the ship can be gauged from the approximately 2,000 km of cabling, 120 km of piping, and the 2,300 compartments available on board. The aircraft carrier is a mini floating city with a flight deck area covering the size of 2 football fields. The indigenous aircraft carrier is 260-meter long, 62-meter at the widest part, and height of 59-meter, including the superstructure. Vikrant has a top speed of 28 knots and a cruising speed of 18 knots with an endurance of about 7,500 nautical miles. There are 14 decks in all, including 5 in the superstructure. The ship has over 2,300 compartments designed for a crew of around 1,700 people, including specialized cabins to accommodate women officers. Union Minister for Defence Rajnath Singh said the maiden sea sortie of the indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant was a true testimony to the government's unwavering commitment to Atmanirbhar Bharat in defence. Realization of this historic milestone, regardless of COVID, shows true dedication and commitment of all stakeholders. It is a proud moment for India, the Defence Minister said. Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways Sarbananda Sonowal has hailed the launching of the sea trials of the indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant, India's most complex warship to have been indigenously built by Cochin Shipyard for the Indian Navy. He said designing and building an indigenous aircraft carrier was a huge achievement for the nation. The basic design of the IAC was developed indigenously by the Directorate of Naval Design of the Indian Navy, and the entire detailed engineering, construction and system integration was undertaken by Cochin Shipyard Limited. The shipyard carried out the detailed engineering of the ship using advanced software which enabled the designer to get a complete 3D view of the compartments of the ship. It is for the first time in the country that a ship of the size of an aircraft carrier was completely modeled in 3D and production drawings extracted from the 3D model. Keep watching the Times of India. This is Sushil Rao in Hyderabad.